a lavalier or lapel mic to get great sound for your videos, live streams, and conference calls. So let's get into it. A lavalier mic is a small microphone that you can clip onto clothing. You will have seen many TV presenters, vloggers, and filmmakers using them. They deliver great, clear sound due to the fact that they can be positioned quite close to the mouth. They're also unobtrusive and allow complete freedom with your hands. There are two things to consider when using a lavalier mic. The first is how to position it, and the second is how to connect it to your camera, phone, or laptop. There are a few different Rode lavalier mics to choose from. Each one is designed to work with different devices, but regardless of what mic you are using, they are all clipped and positioned the same way. As a general rule, you want to position a lavalier mic on the chest about a handspan distance from the mouth. This will give you a clear, natural sound. First, put the microphone into the clip. We get a lot of questions about how to attach the mic to the clip, and while it may seem complicated, it's actually very simple. Just slip the windshield off your mic like so, then pinch the spiral clasp and insert your mic into the loop to secure the mic in place. If you're wearing a jacket, tie, or shirt, it's then super easy to position the mic. Just clip it to the edge of a suitable piece of clothing, like so. Remember to avoid a position where other clothing might rub against the mic when you move, as this will create a distracting sound in your video. To keep your video looking clean and professional, you may want to consider concealing the cable. You can simply tuck it out of sight under your jacket or run it inside your shirt. Pro sound engineers will use draper's tape to secure the cable against the inside of clothing, but another popular choice is gaff tape, anything to keep it out of sight. Here's another pro tip, the so-called broadcast loop. This will give you that professional look you'd have seen on TV. To do this, run the cable from the mic through the handle of the clip, then complete the circle over the top and into the slot on the edge of the clip. Now, when you clip this onto your jacket or your shirt, you will get that neat, clean profile. If you're wearing something smooth like a t-shirt, you can mount it on the neckline like so. If you're wearing a singlet, the shoulder straps are a great place to mount a mic. This is often the best solution if you're wearing exercise clothing, or if you want to get creative, try mounting the mic underneath a headband or a hat. Regardless of where you position it, provided the mic is a foot or less from your mouth and does not have clothing rubbing against it, you should get a nice, clear sound. So that's how you position your mic, but what about connecting it to your device? Well, there are a few different things to consider here. The first is what type of device you are going to plug it into. The second is whether you are going to plug the microphone in directly or whether a wireless solution is more appropriate. Let's look at the device first. If you are using a phone or laptop to make your video, you will need the Rode SmartLav Plus. This has the right kind of connector to plug directly into your device without the need for an adapter. If you're using a computer, you will need to select external microphone as the audio input device in your audio settings. If the SmartLav Plus is not long enough to reach your phone or computer, you can extend it with the Rode SC1 cable. This will give you plenty of room to move back from your camera and still get great sound. If you're using a camera like a DSLR, you'll need a lavalier mic with a standard audio connector. The Lavalier Go is a great choice as it's affordable and really easy to use. If you need more freedom to move around, using a wireless system is the best option. We recommend the Wireless Go as it's compact, affordable, sounds amazing, and is really easy to use. Setting this up is very simple. Slot the receiver, that's this one, onto your camera and plug it into the audio input. Then clip the transmitter, that's this one, which has an inbuilt lavalier mic, to your chest. If you'd prefer to use an external lavalier mic to plug into the Wireless Go transmitter, use the Lavalier Go rather than the SmartLav Plus, as this has the correct connector. The two different connectors do look very similar, but an easy hint with Rode products is just to look at the color of the connector. Grey connectors are for mobile devices, and black is for regular audio and camera equipment. If you want to use the Wireless Go with a laptop or mobile device, this is very easy, but you'll need a different cable. We've made another video about how to do this. Check it out in the link below. I always want to do this. A final tip. When using a lavalier outdoors or close to your mouth, it's important to use the supplied windshield to reduce wind noise or plosives. All Rode lavalier mics include a form of wind protection, so we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, guys. If you need